Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use BPlayer on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. We're going to hop over to the BPlayer application. I already have a video showing you how to download and install the app on Chromecast. So if you have it downloaded and installed, just navigate to the app and click on it to launch. Now the first thing you need to do when you get here is to allow access to your audio. You want the media files on your device, so just click allow access, and then you can see this toggle that says allow access to photos, videos, music, and audio on the device. If you click allow, you can access all your videos on this playlist right here. You can move over to folders and access the different folders available on this device. If you've been using the app, you can see the history of all the media you've consumed in the past. Lastly, you can look on this sandwich bar at the top left. This gives you access to network stream. So this is where you add the link for the network stream. The link, if you have a streaming link or a stream link, just type it out here. So it could be something to the effect of https / something something. So just put in the exact link, the specific stream link you have, and click on OK. That's going to launch the stream link, and you can consume the content that's available there. So I'm canceling, and stay on the sandwich bar. You could look at the video playlist, build the playlist from scratch, and enjoy it whenever you want to. You can also click on settings to toggle on the subtitle settings. Here you could change the font size, the text style, text color, background color, and all that good stuff. So you can also ask when exiting the player. Keep checking this on will give you a confirmation message before you exit. Keeping it off will just exit the player when you go to the back key. So that's basically for this player. If you found that insightful and useful, hit the like button. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for content just like this.